Today we're going to try out some CALYX exhaust manifold dressing, an alternative to paint which often burns and rusts. To prepare this manifold, all we did is wire brush it and lightly sandblast it to get it nice and clean. Then wiped it down with some wax and grease remover. The stuff is like a paste, and I suppose you rub it in or brush it in, so we have a rag and a brush. We'll try both. And they say a little goes a long way, so we'll make sure we take our time and rub it in real good. I think a rag will work the best. We'll give the brush a try real quick. Maybe just to get it on there with the brush and then rub it in with the rag. This is right after I applied it, about 5 minutes. It soaks right in. The good thing about it is you can add to it later on after it's on the vehicle. After applying just one coat, this is what it looks like, and we didn't really use up too much of the product. I hope you enjoyed this video on CALYX manifold dressing. If you did and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.